Hi guys, my name is Gianna Bartko and I'm the Vice President of Entrepreneurship Society and the Chair of TrepCon. Our mission at Fordham's Entrepreneurship Society is to cultivate the entrepreneurial ecosystem at Fordham by encouraging students to develop innovative mindsets and inspiring them to explore creative opportunities both at Fordham and beyond. We are here for those interested in being more entrepreneurial minded, being a part of a startup, or starting a business. Students, faculty, and alumni can meet, share resources, and exchange ideas while finding their own entrepreneurial spirit. Each year, we put on TrepCon, Fordham's entrepreneurship conference, where we have speakers, workshops, breakout sessions, and a great networking event with local entrepreneurs. Fordham's Entrepreneurship Society engages with the community through brainstorming sessions, idea pitches, guest speaker series, creative hands-on activities, networking events, and the development of student-run businesses.
Hi, my name's Alessandra Chufo, and I'm a rising junior in the Gabelli School of Business. Since my freshman year, I've been a part of the Fordham Entrepreneurship Society, and it is definitely one of my favorite clubs on campus. With the ambition of one day opening up my own business in the culinary sphere, I found this club to be super helpful. I even gained my first internship opportunity last summer through one of the club's events. I definitely recommend you join it, and I can't wait for you guys to join us in the fall.
Hi everyone, my name is Alexa Kukiata. I am a recent graduate from the Gabelli School of Business. I studied business administration and marketing, and I am a recent published author. I'm the best-selling author of Power to Persevere, inspiring stories to help you get through challenging moments. I'm also a commissioned artist, I'm a designer, and I'm a wellness advocate. And I really love the Entrepreneurship Society because it has created such a sense of community for me. I transferred to Fordham during my junior year of school. If it wasn't for the Entrepreneurship Society, I would not have had all of my friends that I've met and made such great connections with professors and really and truly found passion in the work that I'm doing now. So, love you guys, and for anyone watching this, join the Entrepreneurship Society.
Thank you so much. Connect with us on social media. Our Instagram is at Entrepreneurship Society, or feel free to email us at entrepreneur@fordham.edu. Thank you.